So, good morning students. Let me continue with shares and dividends. I am doing exercise 3B, question number 10. So, yesterday we were doing some problems and let me continue with that and let us finish off this exercise. A man buys 420 rupees shares at a discount of 20% and receives a return of 12% on his money. Calculate the amount invested by him, the rate of dividend paid by the company. So first let me write what are the given conditions and I will let you know what we have to do. A man buys how many shares? Number of shares 400. Next, what else? A man buys 400 shares. Face value is 20 rupees. Face value is 20 at a discount of 20%. Discount is 20% and receives a return of 12% on his money. Rate percentage is equal to 12% on his investment. Right. So what is asking? Calculate the amount invested by him. Calculate the amount invested by him, the rate of dividend paid by the company. Total investment is asking, rate of dividend by the company. There are two bits in this question. So first, what is given? I don't know, I will be letting you know. Number of shares given as 400, face value is 20, discount is 20%, rate is 12% on his investment. So may I know which formula you should apply here? Please recollect and tell what are the formulae which I have given in the basic classes. Rate is equal to, which formula you will apply here? Rate percentage on his investment, that is nothing but rate percentage is equal to dividend by market price into 100. If he is given rate percent by the company, then he, in place of market price, what should come? Dividend by face value should come. When you are asking rate percentage by the company, so same formula, but here instead of market value you should write here face value. So that is what is asking in second bit. First bit is total investment. So from this total investment, what is the formula for total investment? Number of shares into market price, that we already know. Number of shares into market value. Number of shares already given, but we don't know market value. So easily we can calculate market value from these two. Why? Because face value is given, discount is 20% given. Go for basics. When discount is given, you should subtract face value from this. So market value, what is the market value? 20 minus discount. 20 minus discount percentage is equal to 20 minus 20 by 100 into, based on the face value. So which is nothing but 20. So 20 is a 400, 400 by 4 is nothing but 4, 20 minus 4 is rupees 16, 20 minus 4 is 16, so market price is 16. So first, total investment. What is total investment? Total investment is equal to, what is the formula? Number of shares into market value. Number of shares already given, no, 400. So 400 into market value. Market value of each share is 16. So 16 4s are 64. 6,400 is the total investment. Next, what is asking? The rate of dividend, the rate of dividend paid by the company. So here, rate of dividend paid by the company. So from this, so rate of dividend paid by the company, what is the formula? Rate is equal to, rate percentage is equal to dividend by the company means I told face value into 100, right? So we know rate percentage, from this what are the conditions we know? Face value we know already. Dividend, do we know dividend? No, we don't know. So from this calculate dividend. So how will you calculate dividend? Here it is, see what is given, rate percentage. From this we can calculate dividend. Rate percentage given as 12 and dividend we don't know, market price we know already 16 into 100. From this calculate dividend and put it over there. That's it. So from this, so first bit is over, second bit. So to do second bit, what we have to do? Rate percentage given as what? 12. 12 is equal to dividend. What is the dividend here? We don't know. Dividend by market price. Market value we know 16 into 100. Why we are calculating is, if we know dividend, then we can do this, then we can find out this one. We don't know dividend, that's why I am using this one. Already they gave the conclusion. So dividend is equal to 16 into 12. 16 into 12 by 100. That is nothing but 192 by 100. 1.92. 16 12 is 192. So that is 1.92. 2 zeros are there. So 2 zeros, point will come here. 1.92 is dividend. So now go for this rate percentage. Is asking rate percentage by the company. I told no, we have to use this formula. Why? Because it is asking by the company. So rate percentage is equal to dividend. Just now we calculate dividend 1.92 by face value. What is the face value? 20 into 100. So face value into 100. Right? So is it clear up to here? Any doubt? Any question? Any doubts? Any doubts you have? So it's very simple. Market value I calculated this one. So rate percentage is dividend. I calculated from this dividend I found out. So dividend is 1.92 into 100. So rate is equal to 21 to 25. 1.92 into 5. So 1.92 into 5 is how much? Can you tell what is 1 by 1.92? It is nothing but 5 to the 10, 0, 5 9 the 45, 46, 5 1 5, 6. 1.92 into 5. 46, 9.60. So 9.60 is the rate of dividend by the company. Next. Is it clear? Very simple question, straightforward question. What is, just you need to remember these two formula. What is rate percentage on his investment is based on the market value. Rate percentage given by the company means you should write here instead of face value, instead of market value, you should write face value into 100. Right? So there ends the solution. It is very simple. And what is the rate point? 1.92 into 5 is 9.60. So it is typical question but very simple. Next question. A company with 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each declares an annual dividend of 5%. What is the amount dividend? What is, there are question number 11. A company with 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each and declares an annual dividend of 5%. What is the total amount dividend paid by the company? What should be the annual income of a man who has 72 shares in the company? If he receives 4% on his investment, find the price he paid for each share. So again, let me write all the given conditions in this problem so that you will be knowing, and I will make you the problem in a simple way. Next. So I think it will take only 5 minutes. So let me finish up soon. So company with 10,000 shares. Company with 10,000 shares given. Number of shares is equal to 10,000. And face value of each share is how much? This is question number 11, exercise 3B from Serena Publishers. I am doing. And face value of each share is how much? 100. Next, face value of each share is 100 and declares an annual dividend of 5%. And declares an annual dividend of 5%. Dividend is equal to 5%, right? So they are asking simple. This is a very simple question. They are asking 3 bits. What is the total amount paid by the company? So, what is the total amount paid by the company? So, what is the formula? Dividend is equal to, what is the formula? Dividend percentage of face value into number of shares, right? So dividend percentage is nothing but 5 by 100 into face value is nothing but 100. Number of shares is 10,000. $50,000. So 50,000 is the dividend, right? Dividend is 50,000. Now second bit, what should be the annual income of man who has 72 shares in the company? What should be the annual income of a man who has 72 shares in the company? So dividend, annual dividend is nothing but 50,000. Second bit is, what should be the annual income of man who has 72 shares in the company? So first what you have to do, go for basics. What is dividend given? 5%. So what is the meaning of this? Dividend is equal to 5 by 100 into face value. Dividend is 5. So what should be the annual income of man who has 72 shares? So first bit is over. What is the total dividend is already calculated. Who has 72 shares? Income on 72 shares. 72 into, for 1 share it is 5. For 72 shares how much? 360. Right? For 72 shares the answer is 360, because he is putting 72 shares in the company will pay 360. Next, if he received, third one, if he received only 4% on his investment, find the price he paid for each. So if he received 4%, if he received 4% of his investment, find the price he paid for each share. So market value he is asking. So it's very simple. Again go for this. If he received only 4%, find the price he paid for each. So go for this formula. Rate percentage is equal to dividend by market price into 100. If he received 4% of his investment, find the price he paid for each. Find the price he paid for each means market value is asking, right? So rate percentage is what? 4 is equal to dividend. What is the dividend? 5 by market price. Market value into 100. So market value is equal to 5 by 4 into 100. This is nothing but 25. 25 5 is 125. So market value is rupees 125. It's very simple, student. So from this number of shares is given. So dividend I use this formula and I got the dividend as 50,000. So what is the go for basics? What is the meaning of D is equal to 5%? Per 1 share, dividend is per 1 share. 5 by 100 is dividend is per 1 share rupees 5. So income on 72 shares. So the person is putting 72 shares. So how much he will get? 72 into 5 is 360. Now third bit is rate percent. If he received 4% of his investment, 4% of his investment means rate percent is equal to 4 on his investment. Find the price he paid for each share. So market value is asking. So rate percentage, this is the formula. So dividend already we calculated for 1 share. How much? Market price already. Market price we need to find out. So just plug it and replace the values. You will get the answer. So thank you, students. Have a nice day, and we'll continue in the next class. Please subscribe my channel and click on the blue button, and have a nice day. Bye.